Yes, so computer network, this is the quick revision. This is the 5th class of computer network. Till now we have discussed so many topics. If you are watching this video for the first time, then I am requesting you, please try to watch the previous video also, because there we have completed so many important topics. And this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. And this is my website unifiedstudy.com. Here I am uploading the PDF. After the class I will upload the PDF. But any TOC, yes, TOC we will start after this. Now I am coming to the topic of RSA algorithm. Those who are interested, they can continue the session. RSA algorithm. And if you are facing any issue for the CRC, then please the check recording again, it will be clear to you. ठीक है. Yes. Now before RSA, see, cryptography. The topic is cryptography. So cryptography means what? Cryptography means confidentiality. Means we are trying to encrypt our message. We are trying to encrypt our message, then we have to decrypt the message, right? So confidentiality should be there. That is the main feature of cryptography. That is confidentiality. Then integrity. Integrity means information cannot be modified in the storage or transmission between the sender and receiver. बीच में कोई भी चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है. एग्जाम तो होगा ही. एग्जाम 90% चांस एग्जाम विल बी देयर. 90% चांस. ठीक है. And non-repudiation. Non-repudiation is the creator and sender of information cannot be denied. Means if I am sending the information, then I have to accept, yes, I have sent the information. Okay. And authentication. What is the authentication? The identities of sender and receiver are confirmed. Means what is that? Is authentic. That is authentic sender and receiver. And symmetric cryptography and hash function asymmetric cryptography. Symmetric cryptography is what? That is where we are using same. That is the in the encryption system where sender and receiver message using single common key. Revision class timing 9:45. 9:45 till maybe 12:30. It is continuing. It is a continuous process. We are starting from 9:45. There is the marathon class. We are continuing till the topic is not covered. ठीक है. अभी भी एक डाउट है. अभी भी डाउट मत करो. एग्जाम होगा. एग्जाम होगा. एग्जाम कर लो. कल्याणी मुझे हंसाओ मत प्लीज. प्लीज कल्याणी. ठीक है. So 9:45. From 9:45 we are starting. Okay. So you can join the class. Shehzadi Begum. Shehzadi Begum, you can join the class from 9:45 PM. ठीक है. So now in encryption, symmetric encryption, there is sender and receiver is using single common key and hash function. And what is the example of symmetric? That is data encryption system. DES is a common example of symmetric key. And hash function means there is no usage of key in this algorithm. Means hash function, we are using some specific hash function, like for the password MD5. MD5 for the MD5 is a hash function we are using in the database. We are using in the website. We are using for storing the password in the database. whatever password you are giving in my Unify Study, whatever password you are giving, I am the admin, I have not the right to see your password, right? That is not accessible. So what I am doing, when I am storing your password, I am using some hash function, that is the MD5. Using that hash function, we are trying to change the password, and that is only one time. Means hash function, that is the very interesting, that using hash function you can encrypt the message, but you cannot decrypt using same function. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अब आपका पासवर्ड है 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is your password, and I have applied MD5 hash function and I have stored into the database. ये database में बहुत बड़ा एक hash function से store होगा, but after that even anyone can decrypt that message. Decryption is not possible. ठीक है, डिक्रिप्शन कोई भी कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग द हैश फंक्शन फॉर स्टोरिंग द पासवर्ड, स्पेशली द पासवर्ड. ओके, नाउ एसिमेट्रिक की. एसिमेट्रिक की मीन्स दैट इज under this system pair used. We are using the pair, that is for encryption one function and for the decryption another function. ठीक है, एनक्रिप्शन के लिए एक फंक्शन यूज होता है, डिक्रिप्शन के लिए अलग फंक्शन यूज होते हैं. एंड हेयर द कॉन्सेप्ट इज लाइक दैट कि पब्लिक की, ए पब्लिक की एंड प्राइवेट की, टू टाइप्स ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट इज देयर. पब्लिक की एंड प्राइवेट की आर देयर. सो what is public key? A public key is used for the encryption and a private key is used for the decryption. ठीक है, public key is for encryption, private key is for decryption. Now see, this is a quick revision chart. This is a quick revision chart before your exam. So this is the cryptography, symmetric key, asymmetric key. What are the symmetric? Sometimes the question is coming from here, so try to remember that topic. Blue fish, TW fish, all the fish, and then DL, RIZ, DL, DES, 3DS, RC6, TEA, Mars, IDEA, all are the symmetric key. And asymmetric key is DH, SSL, RSA. RSA is asymmetric key, and SSH also asymmetric key. ठीक है. And here in the cryptography, two types, classical and modern. Classical, substitution and transportation. Substitution, there is monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic. And modern, there is secret key, public key. Secret key, there is symmetric, and public key means there is asymmetric. Symmetric, there is block cipher and stream cipher. I think it is not visible. I think it is not visible. Yes. So symmetric, there is block cipher and stream cipher. Asymmetric, there is RSA. There is RSA and DSA. And for the block cipher, there is Bluefish, AES, DES, 3DS, and for the stream cipher there is RC and still. ठीक है, this is your quick revision chart. This is your quick revision chart. Try to remember that. ठीक है, now try to solve this question. Now try to solve this question. This is December 2019. December 2019. Yes, correct answer. That consider the following system with the respective network security. What is the respective network security? Message confidentiality means sender receive the message except privacy. And after that, message integrity means that is the integrity. Message authentication means this is the message authentication. Just now I have shown all everything, so this is coming from here. Just now I have shown the theory, so A, B, C is the answer, right? Now try to solve this one. This is also December 2019. This is also December 2019. It is not clear. Which of the following not needed an encryption algorithm? Encryption algorithm used in cryptography. Okay, so those who are telling 4 and those who are telling 3, both of you are correct. 3 and 4 both are correct. Ciphertext is not required for the encryption because ciphertext is required for the decryption. Here it is asking encryption, that's why it is also correct, and user details, that is also correct. 3, 4 both are correct. According to the final answer key, 3 and 4 both are correct. ठीक है, both are correct. No, for the encryption, why user details? We are encrypting the message only. We are encrypting the message only. Only message is required. Why the user details is required? Not required. We are encrypting only message. Why we are going for the user details? Here it is only encryption. Encryption means we have to encrypt the message. User details not required. ठीक है. Now come to the point of RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is very important regarding exam. So please try to concentrate everyone, and RSA please don't एग्ज़ाम में आ गए. देन ये एग्ज़ाम में ही आया था. इट वॉज द क्वेश्चन दिसंबर 2019. एग्ज़ाम का ही क्वेश्चन है एंड ये ऑफिशियल आंसर की है. ये दिसंबर 2019 का क्वेश्चन है एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑफिशियल आंसर की 3 का मैं हूँ ना, RSA कवर करूँगी डेफिनेटली. ठीक है, चलो, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम आ रहे कवर तो करना ही है. जो भी रहना है रह जाओ. RSA डेफिनेटली, RSA सारे क्वेश्चन कवर करेंगे. आप थोड़ा जल्दी कीजिए. ठीक है. जनरेटर प्रोसीड्यूर. व्हाट इज द जनरेटर प्रोसीड्यूर? दैट इज द चूज 2 distinct large random prime number, that is P and Q. 2 prime number we are taking. ठीक है. And after that what we are doing, that is P not equal to Q. That should be, you have to choose like that, that is P not equals to Q. Now after that you have to compute N. N equals to, what is N equals to P into Q, that you have to compute and then calculate. Yes, then calculate, that is phi n. Phi n क्या है? P minus 1 and Q minus 1. P minus 1 के साथ Q minus 1. After that choose an integer E such that, how you have to choose the integer? That integer you have to choose that should be greater than 1 and less than n. greater than n हो, greater than 1 होगा and less than n होगा. ठीक है. ओके. Then after that compute D. How to compute D? D means D into E. D into E should be 1 mod phi n. That is very important formula, that D into E should be 1 mod phi n. After that, the public key is N and E and the private key is N and D. What is the public key? Public key is N comma E. N comma E is the public key. And what is the private key? Private key is N comma D. ठीक है, N E and N D. The algorithm will be clear when I will take the example. From the example, the algorithm will be more clear. Now encryption, how to do the encryption? That is the plain text. Plain text. What is the plain text? That is the M is the original text, and there should be M less than N. M should be less than N. And ciphertext, how to do the ciphertext? That is C equals to M to the power E mod N. That is the ciphertext. And what is the plain text? Plain text will be M. M is the C to the power D mod N. Just देख लो, यहाँ पे C है, C के साथ E. Here is C and here is E. In that way you can remember. Ciphertext means M to the power E. And message means here is C to the power D. That is ciphertext is C to the power D. ठीक है, मैसेज के साथ C, ciphertext C के साथ to the power E and मैसेज के साथ to the power D. Other are same. ठीक है. Now how to solve? Now try to solve this. Whatever formula I have given you, from that formula try to solve that. How to solve it? One question, first question I am showing you that how to solve. First question, if you want to try, you can try, and I am also showing you that how to solve. That is P equals to 13 and Q equals to 31, and here it is given D equals to 7, right? So what will be N? We know N equals to P into Q, right? Means 13 into 31 will be P, that is 403 N. Now phi N, what is phi N? Phi N equals to N minus P minus 1 into Q minus 1, right? That is phi N. So here is 13 minus 1 is 12, and Q minus 1, 31 minus 1, that is 30. So it is coming 360 phi N. After that, what you have to do? That is E into D. What was the formula? That is E cross D. E into D equals to 1 mod phi N. 1 mod phi N. Now here D is given 7, right? So E into 7. E into 7 is coming 1 mod. What is your phi N? Phi N is 360. 360 is coming here. Now from here you have to do E. How you can do E? How you can solve E? There is the technique to solve E. How to solve E? See what it is. That is 1 mod 360. 1 mod 360. mod मतलब क्या है? कोई भी if you are dividing something, means mod कैसे आते हैं? 5 को आप 2 से डिवाइड कर लो. 2 से डिवाइड करने के बाद क्या आते हैं? 2 into 2, that is coming 4, and this is coming 1, right? So what is the mod? Mod means that is 2 mod 5. 2 mod 5 equals to 1. How the 1 is coming? 2 mod 5, that is coming 1. How the 1 is coming? That is actually 2 into 2 plus 1. If you do 2 into 2 plus 1, then 5 is coming, right? Then 5 is coming. That is the exact formula of mod. Mod means what? Mod means nothing but remainder. Mod means nothing but remainder, remainder, right? So how you can solve it? Just easy way to solve that just do that 360 into 1. 360 into 1 means where we are doing 2 into 2. 2 into 2 you have to do, that is 360 into 1 means we are dividing by 1, and here it is coming remainder, coming is 360. 360 is your remainder, right? So 360 into 1 plus 1 that is coming 361. 361 by 7, can you divide it? Can you divide it? 360 plus 1, that is 361. Can you divide it? It is not possible. Now take next one. Just do the multiplication. 360 means 360 से आप divide कर रहे हो, आप 1 2 3 4 5 just you have to try in that way. First 1 से divide करके देखो, then 2, then 3, then 4 and try to see that what is divisible. So 360 plus 2 into 2 plus 1, that is coming 721 by 7. Now you have, is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible, that is coming 103. It is divisible, that is coming 103. 103 is coming from here. So definitely the answer will be what? The answer will be here, that is 721 by 7, that is 103. Got it? It is very easy. Just देखो किससे divide हो रहे हैं. Mod 7, it is, I have written something wrong, that is 5 mod 2. 5 mod 2 is 1. 2 mod 5 नहीं, 5 mod 2 is 1. Sorry, there was network issue, I was not able to connect. Sorry. Anyone is there now? Okay, I know you will be there. So thank you. You are there, I know. Yes, Sarita, Sunita, Kalani. Always you are there for me, I know that. Okay, Prachi is giving the answer. Yes, Prachi is correct also. So how to solve? It was already done. First part was already done. That is here it is P equals to 3 and Q equals to 11, right? And D equals to 7. So from that first part, that is 103. That is here it is coming. No, here it is coming some different. That is the P into Q. P into Q, that is N. N equals to what it is? That is 3 into 1, that is 33. 33 is coming, right? N. And after that N equals to 33, and after that what you have to do, that is phi. Phi equals to, that is P minus 1 into Q minus 1, that is 2 into 10. Here is 3, here is 11, 2 into 10, that is 20. 20 is coming. Now E into D. E into D equals to 1 mod phi n. 1 mod phi n, right? So 1 mod phi n. Now here what it is given, that is D is given. So E into 7. A into 7 is 1 mod, what is phi n? Phi n is coming 20. 20 is phi n. So what to do? That is 20 into 1 plus 1. 20 into 1 plus 1, that is 21. And can you divide 21 by 7? Yes, definitely you can divide 21, that is coming 3. So E is coming 21 divided by 7, that is 3. 3 is the 3 is coming for E. E is 3. Now what you have to do, that is ciphertext, that is C. What is ciphertext? Ciphertext is C equals to, we know that m to the power E. C equals to m to the power E mod n. So what was m? M equals to 5. 5 to the power E. E is 3. 5 to the power E 3 mod n. What is n? N is 33, right? Yes, n is 33. 33. So 33 means what it is? 125 mod 33. 125 mod 33, if you do, that will become 36. That is 133. 125. Sorry. 125 divided by 33. If you do, that will be 3 is coming here, 99, it will be 26. 26 will be the answer, right? 26 is the answer. Got it? So from here the answer is coming 26. 26 is coming. Got it? Is it clear? Anyone have any doubt? I think no one have any doubt. Okay, Prachi is giving the answer. प्राची का डिवीजन बहुत अच्छे से हो रहे हैं. गुड. Try everyone, try to think how you can solve. Try to think. थोड़ा ABCD लिख लेते हैं. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26, right? So what is that? That is same question, that is actually coming 3. So first one is done. That is E will be 30, we will be 3, because from first one we have done same question was there. See, that is same data, P equals to 3, Q equals to 1 and 7, D equals to 7. Here also P equals to 3, Q equals to 11 and D equals to 7. So what will come? That is definitely E will come equals to 3, because just now we have solved, that is E equals to coming 3. Just now we have solved, right? E is 3. Now after that E is 3, and what is the ciphertext? Ciphertext, what is the C? C is coming, that is m to the power E mod n. Mod n, right? Now ciphertext m to the power E. M, what is m? First one is s. S का वैल्यू कितना है? First one is s. Try to see the s का वैल्यू कितना है here? 19. 19 is the value of s, right? So what you can do, that is 19 to the power 3 mod n. N is what? N is coming, that is 33. 33 is n, right? From previously we have already done, that is n equals to 33. Here from this calculation we got, that is n equals to 33. Here P equals to Q, 3 into 11, that is 33, right? So n to the power 3 mod 33. N to the power 3 mod 33, what it will become? What it is coming? That is, if you do that, that you can see that 3 times 99, 3 times 19 will be repeat, 19 will be, that is, it is repeating 19, and finally what it is coming, that is 28 minus it is coming 28. If you solve it, it will become 28. So how to do? 28 is not there, last letter is 26, 28 will not come, last letter is 26. So you have to, again, that is a circle, think like that ki A, B, C, in that way, after Z again A is coming, right? So 26 is ending here, so after that it will be 27, this will be 28, okay, this will be 27, this will be 28 after that. So 28 means it is actually B, 28 means it will be B, got it? Is it clear? 28 कितना आएगा? B आएगा. If you do 19 to the power 3 mod 33, that will be D, that will come 28, that will be D. ठीक है? मीन्स कुछ भी नहीं है, मीन्स आप जस्ट 19 को 3 टाइम्स रिपीट कर रहे हो. वट यू आर डूइंग कि 3 टाइम्स यू आर रिपीटिंग 19, राइट? If you repeat 3 times 19, it will come, that is 28 will come. Actually the it will come like 6859, 6859 mod 33. ठीक है? So B is coming, in that way you have to solve on. Now here only from A's you can do the answer. From only A's the B is here. Never it is not there B, it is not there B, it is not there B. That's why this is the answer. Okay, that's why this is the answer. If you get the in another way, if you try to solve in another way, there is a trick. There is a trick how to solve in another way. That see that here is SUZA, same letter, there is the trick that same letter N and N. Here N and N is same, here E and E is same, here N and N is same, it is not same. BC it is also not same, means that will be not the answer. But here same is coming, here N and N same is coming. So definitely most probable answer will be this, because definitely when you are doing encryption then it can be changed, that's why it is the answer. So if you, that's why I am giving you the short trick, Kalani, that's why I am giving you the short trick. This is the short trick. Here is the N and N, so definitely value will be same, and here the same value is not there, here also same value is not there. So definitely this will be not the answer. Okay, that is I am telling. See, here A is same, here Z is same, everything is same thing is coming. So most probable answer will be this. No, you have not required, not required क्यूब. यहाँ पे क्यूब ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ, जस्ट आपको दिमाग लगाने का ज़रूरत है. बाय एलिमिनेशन ओनली, यू हैव टू डू ओनली एलिमिनेशन, just by elimination you can do, easily you can do by elimination. Okay, got it? Just I show you that how to solve. Maybe they can give here 19 to the power 3 is there, so that's why you are facing some issue, but 19 to the power 3 is not the challenge. शॉर्ट नंबर बी ले सकते हैं फॉर ई. हाँ, आप शॉर्ट नंबर ले लो. ई यहाँ पे एम नहीं लेकर आप कोई भी एक किसी को ले लो, एनीथिंग यू कैन टेक. Here is S, you can take A, you can take A, try to take A to the power 3 mod 33, you can take like that, A to the power 3 mod 33, there is the A, in that way also you can do. Try to apply some tricks, that is the actual concept, that if this type of alphabet is coming, that is the trick, that how to do. Now in according to exam, according to your time, according to the option, you have to take your decision. I got that is 7, but you can, there is the S, U, Z, A, N, N, E. So you can start with A. A is only 1. 1 to the power 3 mod 33. Easily you can do. Right? Okay, got it? Clear to everyone? Yes. Now try to solve this. Now try to solve this. This is the question of June 2019. Actually, as per my analysis, I have seen that NTA is not asking so much difficult question, means so much time consuming question. They are too smart. Previously in the third paper, actually before 2018 till 2017, there was 3 paper, that is paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3, and for paper 3 they are giving so much time. So for the paper 3 they are always trying to give some lengthy question, but nowadays that is the NTA pattern. In NTA pattern there are 100 question you have to solve in 2 hours. So always whatever question, all the 100 question they are giving, at least that type of question they are trying to choose, which you can solve within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes. I have done the analysis, and from the analysis I am telling you that definitely they are not giving you such a question that is time consuming. Even also you can see that previously for the COCOMO, for the software engineering, before NTA NET, they are asking बहुत difficult type question, and they are asking difficult type calculation. But in NTA there is no question like some difficult calculation, because they know that they are not providing you calculator. So without calculator you can solve it. That's why don't worry and don't be scared about that, because who are setting the question, they are knowledgeable and they are always trying to set the question so that you can solve it. There should be solvable within 2 minutes. Okay, so don't worry about that. I have taken the question, so clear your concept, because NTA can ask is easy question, so their concept is required. Your concept will be clear from that, so that you will be able to solve any RSA algorithm. Okay, yes, you are telling the correct answer. This is the digital signature. I think it is visible to everyone. See, one thing I want to show, that is the computer network syllabus. Here something is there, that is the IoT, cloud computing IoT, and that is the worldwide service, that is the there are the CDMA, GSMA, mobile device, SAS, PAS, IAS. From this area also question is coming. What is the modern area, what are the modern application, and what is the advanced topic of networking. So from here also some question is coming. Sometimes at least two question is coming from this area, that is WWW, network security we have already done, mobile technology, and the cloud computing and IoT. So if you are interested, then I can take one class, so that for the quick revision for this area, because this from this area question is also coming. So if you are agree, then I can take one extra class tomorrow for this area. Okay. Okay Sarita, thank you. Are you interested to do the revision for GSMA, CDMA, for different types of network, that is WWW, what is Telnet, what is IAM, what are the protocol, SMTP, POP, and what is IaaS, PaaS, cloud computing, networking, because here this area at least 2 question is coming. I saw that 2 question is coming from here. B+T, definitely Prachi, definitely B+T I will take. Definitely B+T I will take. Okay, so tomorrow I will take the class for the advanced networking topic. ठीक है, yes, B+T Prachi, definitely you are telling me from so many days, definitely for the B+T I will take the class. Don't worry Prachi, just let me complete the networking, so that this part we have to complete, because we have done everything. So why this part? This part also we have to complete. So just small part, theoretical part, this is totally theoretical part. Just एक बार revision कर लो theoretical part, then you will be able to solve the question, and that are very easy part. So that's why I am trying to take the session. Tomorrow I will take the session. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, tomorrow I will take the session for this area. After that the networking will be covered. Then after that I will take some class for the data structure, and definitely B+T, B-tree I have to complete. I will take the B-tree and B+T पहले लेंगे, उसके बाद बाकी सब, then after that everything. ठीक है. Okay, thank you everyone. Till now 11 live learners are there. I am so happy. हाँ, रिविजन तो करना है, रिविजन तो करना है. We have done everything in our plus course Unacademy, but here it is not done. That's why we can do the revision. ठीक है, advanced topic we will do the revision. Okay. Yes. Bye bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow we will meet again.